Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 40 by 50 centimetre or 15.7 by 19.7 inch canvas to which I've added some bluey grey. What it is tip off from a previous pour, and I mixed it all together and put it on here, and I really like the colour, but that's all there was, just enough to do that. So what do I have? I have a little bit of black, I have silver, I have phthalo blue, I have light blue, and I have white. So, I've got something there too. So what was I going to do? Oh, I was just going to do, I may as well use this up as well, a U-Butte every day. Everyone does them. Swipe. I'm going to swipe with white. And just get this out. Why not? I don't want to waste it. Pretty colours. Really pretty. Okay, so they can just stay on there like that. First up, I'll put a bit of black on. And I like the black with the blue. Oh, it does look good. And the silver goes with just about anything. Okay, so there's my black. Can I scrape him out? Okay. Put it in the middle, eh? Alright, there's the black. That's done. Now, the silver. The recipes for these paints and the pouring medium you'll find below the video under Show More. And there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. Nice bunch of peoples. And let's scratch this one out as well. Right. Now for the blues. Try to get them, as many of them mixed around as I can. I did have silicone in these colours, but they've been sitting around and jiggled around, and so I'm not really sure if I'm going to get too much in the cell line, but I sure do hope I get a pretty picture. Now the darker spoon, which is phthalo. I'll put him in this way. White do I have? Put a fair bit here. Just put that across there. And I'll put the rest down here. Going to be interesting. Interesting, I say. Come on, we want some more. That'll do. Trusty wet cloth. Getting nice and dribbling over the edge. And here we go. so I'm going to put some on each end here. It's not wanting them. Okay. Alright, that's looking okay. Just going to tilt it a little bit this way. And then maybe back to me, bring the white back down again. Okay, so there we go. And I am going to just wipe my hands off and give it a little torch, get rid of the air bubbles. And then see what I have. At the moment it's pretty, but it's not ringing any bells. Where'd I put my lighter? Goodness. This one. Come on. Oh, well, that's actually very disappointing. So, I have some silver. What I might do is just switch you off and mix up some more paint, and I guess I'm going to put a ribbon over this one. As it is, it's quite pretty, but it doesn't have anything, you know, whoopee-doo about it. So that's what I'm going to do. So just bear with me for a minute or 10, I'll be back.